going on, ladies? It's your boy MikeOfAllTrades, coming to you today with a product review from RetroFighters. This is, I believe this is the D6 Dreamcast controller from RetroFighters. It's supposed to be wireless and everything else. I don't know, I haven't opened it. It looks a little sticky on the box because I did have to take the sticker off. They did send me this review, but these thoughts are mine and mine alone. Oh, that's cool. It folds from the side. Usually they fold from the top, but like with all the other RetroFighters stuff, has some nice artwork on the inside, so that's pretty cool. Let's get this out. And yeah, it's cool because it looks like a Sega Saturn controller. And now this one says it's for the Dreamcast, the Switch, and PC. So we'll check out functionality. Unfortunately, there are no Dreamcast games on the Nintendo Switch, which with the announcement of the Switch 2, I imagine that's going to be part of the NSO pack, because they revealed GameCube. But here's the box. If you know, you know. It literally looks like a Sega Dreamcast box. Like when you get Dreamcast back in the day, and you used to have like the little orange side profile. It's one of those showing off the D-pad of the product. And then on the back, oh, okay, didn't know that stuff was in there. 6-button controller. I'm assuming this goes into this Dreamcast and you put your VMU in there, and that's cool. But it comes with a retro receiver, a USB receiver, USB-C 3C quick charge and play cable, and a quick start guide. That'd actually be really cool. I was wondering how they were gonna get how you were gonna get your save data, but if it plugs into that, that's cool. But let's see if we can. I should have cut this. Didn't cut it. One sec. Okay, we just peeled it back, and we're gonna pull it back, and everybody gets the first look. I do like. Oh, it's nice and orange. I do like the aesthetics of the box. Here we go. Let's slide it out. Dun-dun-dun. Okay, yeah, that was anticlimactic. But look at the advertising is nice. D6. Let's pull them both open, right? And there we go. Okay, yeah, so let's split into those two compartments because, yeah, this thing, I thought it was a mouse at first. It's not. It's got a button, I'm assuming maybe for syncing up or resetting. I don't know. Let's put that to the side. USB cable, put that to the side as well. And then the controller. And again, this does look like Sega Saturn controller, a quick start guide. So you get your guide, your paperwork to tell you how to connect it, pairing instructions. So you do have to pair it up. So that's obvious. But then it shows how to pair it to the dongle as well. But hey, that's cool. Let's see. And then talks about the Switch stuff as well. So if you're interested in that, there you go. And I like the fact that they do this as a company. As a company, they insert the little pins. I have a couple pins laying around, so that's cool. But we're just gonna throw that back in the box. It's not needed right now because, listen, we don't care about that right now. We care about the controller. Okay, so it's always fuzzy in the box, right? Here it is, and this is the D6. A rolling D-pad. That's cool. 8-way. It actually does feel like look and feel like a Sega Saturn controller. I'm assuming that's your sync button. Is that a capture button? Maybe that's for the GameCube. And then LNR is up there. So for those who like 6-button pads, and then there's a toggle switch on the bottom. So I don't know if that's for Switch and Switch, or maybe for the Bluetooth. Maybe we'll figure that out. But yeah, see, I hit the start button and it's automatically looking for one. So on first impressions, the buttons feel nice. Now this is mainly for like your fighters and things of that nature, things that really won't require an analog stick. That's one of the things about this. There is no analog stick on this. So primarily, your fighters, your side scrollers, things of that nature. That's what this controller is going to be used for. If we compare this to the RetroFighter Striker stick, yeah, like I said, I love RetroFighter products. And they did not send me this. I bought this. It was like $50, right? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, compared to the two, it's it's still pretty solid, So it's funny enough, this one has more weight to it, but I think it's because there's a battery inside of this one. But yeah, let's get it hooked up and let's get some gameplay and see how it feels in the field. Okay, so with the Dreamcast, we have to insert the dongle and then press pairing mode on there and then press pairing mode on the controller. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna try to stick a memory card in and see what happens. We'll do this all in real time as well. So dongle, insert the dongle in, then turn it on because it needs power, right? And then, so that gets put in a pairing mode. There we go. I didn't hold it down. I'm an idiot. So now we push the button in there, and then boom, it syncs up just like that. You guys can hear that. That's me navigating through the menus. Okay, so now one more thing. We're going to, I don't have a memory card in here yet. You guys can see it's naked, no memory card. So we're not going to use a VMU this morning because I don't feel like digging one out, TBH. But we're going to plug this in and see if it just recognizes. Yeah, and it just popped up. All right, cool. So let's see how this thing feels in game. So since this is a 6-button game, figure we'll go some start arcade mode. Ooh, do we try to do a demon with this thing? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We will try to do a demon. So, literally, this is the first time touching the D-pad and things of that nature. Let's see, a little bit more angle. Okay, so what's cool is it's all mapped correctly. And again, this is a 6-button. See, air fireballs are cool. They're Tatsu. DP. Gotta say, yo, this D-pad feels really freaking good. Top buttons. Yeah, your top buttons are at the top as well, so. Oops. Messing with Shoru. So now I gotta let him beat me up, I think, so I can get some meter back. Let's see, parries. Let's see if we can parry. Yep, we can parry. Cool. Come on. I don't want to kill him because I do want to see if I can pull Demon off of this. Come on. Come on. Alright. Now, we should be able to get to enough meter, hopefully. Like, this thing don't matter if you can't Demon, right? Come on, give me a little bit more. There we go. Come on, a little bit more. There we go. Alright, so this is gonna be hard because let's see. He's gonna kill me. Instead of, alright, Alex. Alright, let's kill him. Because I'm dead. And it's all because I wanted to freaking Demon. But we're gonna burn the meter till it's gone. Oh, we're not dead yet. Hold on. Hold on, we're not dead yet. We're dead now. But that's my fault. Now let's check something like Sonic Adventure 2. Just to see how games that don't require a stick operate with this. Side note, you know that funny freaking hedgehog asked me if I inserted to hit a memory card because I pulled the memory card out? How dare it? How dare he? So we're gonna see if this works because, yeah, we don't care. I didn't pull it in. How dare he try to, try to take control and be like, hey, did you put a memory card in? Anyway, we're gonna see if this operates for games that require a joystick. Now, usually on the yeah, so you guys can see, no dice. So you're going to need an actual stick, but for fighting games, this will be fine. So let's try another game, and yeah. All right, let's check out some Dead or Alive 2. So that works, block works, kick works. There's your grab. There's your counter. And of course, yeah. So even on like the 3D plane fighters, it works. Did go into do a little story mode. But it's nice though. It is. It's really nice. Oh, good counter. How dare you? Oops. Freaking Kasumi. He hits the wall. Ugh, get off the building. Made her fall away to the basement. Hold that. But overall, you know, just the time I play with it, it does feel really good. Oh, look at Tina. Sorry, I got distracted. It does feel nice. It does suck that it can't work with without an analog stick, but that could be only because it's not inherently built in, you know. Sorry, I'm trying not to die to Tina, but yeah, like it's nice and it's clicky. You can feel the feedback. Ugh, hold that, RKO out of nowhere. But it's not bad for the price. Wireless, 30 feet away. You know, you just connect the thing in, and yeah, it's actually it's pretty good. You know, good hand size hands. You know, I have huge hands. So there's that for you, you know. So if you want to pick it up, obviously I don't have an affiliate link or something they did send to review, but you know, just want to be transparent with people. Anyway, I'm MikeOfAllTrades. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna keep fighting Ryu Hayabusa, or I'm gonna finish beating up Ryu Hayabusa, and I'm gonna finish playing Dead or Alive. Later.